Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 11.2 question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10500 meter square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meter, find the length of the side along the river. Along the river. Let us find. Let the length let the length let the length along the river let the length along the river along the river let the length along the river be x. Therefore the length along